Yo, okay, I don't think you can hear me. Just set up some things. Cool. That one, turn this off. Yo, okay, cool. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Is that off? This. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, it's like a 30-second delay. Dun, 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 dun. Yo, welcome to first prep for now. So let's start with value areas. So this is yesterday's prep that I did. We'll start with value areas. Dun, 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 dun. Value area high. Value area low. Go back in here. Yo. Okay, cool. Got value area high, value area low. Midnight price is not out yet. What's that? Got 40 minutes till midnight price New York. I'm gonna draw out my projection levels. Dun, 6 to 8. Dun, 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 dun. And then 8 till midnight should be here. Okay, waiting on midnight price. I'm just gonna guess it's here. No, 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 no. I'm gonna put in midnight price, and then we're gonna start doing the work. Okay, so what I have on the chart now is let me just do something quickly. What I have on the chart now, this one is the session view app. You can see here in the indicators, session view app. These are the settings. style. I'm using the second band, first band, and then VWAP. So two deviation. For this one, this is a rolling VWAP, 2-day rolling VWAP, 0.25 band multiplier. 30 second. Piggy, can't you see? Sometimes the words just hit times. So when this bands cross over, like you see here, this happened in the change of session. So this is yesterday's session, today's session. There was a change. Yeah, I'm gonna change this color also to like blue or something. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, no, wait. Dropped 59 frames. Bad. Need to use the other computer now. Yeah, it's freezing as well. It's bad. Okay. So here is a crossover from the session VWAP and the rolling VWAP. So now session VWAP is below rolling VWAP, so I'm looking to sell. So that's my first idea. Let's actually put in text. First, no. Okay, let's say narrative ideas. Oh, I can't even spell. Narrative ideas. One is rolling VWAP above session VWAP. So that is sell. So that's my first idea, is to sell. Because rolling VWAP is above session VWAP. And I want to sell above New York Open. So rolling VWAP above session VWAP. And now we are, actually that's the second idea. I'm putting it as first. The second idea. First one was that we are outside value area. Of volume profile. Outside value area volume profile. Rolling VWAP is above session VWAP. That's also sell indication. And now we're gonna look at long-term VWAPs and also points that we could be looking as targets. So these are my target points. This previous day is low. Let's just run this as liquidity. Two-day low. And this one is liquidity. So we've got two areas. We've got two areas as potential targets already. Okay, cool. That works. Chat works. Got two areas as potential targets already. Now we're gonna look at what we can have as entries. So right now my idea is if we open, maybe push up into value area, go down, and then just take out this liquidity. That's why I'm out. Or let's do it like this. Open, push up, something like this. So that's my idea, my first idea. If that doesn't work, there will be an idea where price will go higher, something like this. Still reach that liquidity point, and then another idea which I'm actually more skeptical of would be if price gets into this area, because then we are inside balance and we might not leave this again. Also, if these, or let's do it like this, if this red line and this green line crosses, or let's make that red again, if that crosses, that would now indicate a buy condition or condition shift. Also with a cross, if it gets back into the area of value, W is in the chat for, yeah, it is a bit delayed. If it gets back into the value area, so if price gets back into here, I'm going to look for a continuation buy from this level or this level at, so it's this level here, sorry, and this level here at 8 to 930. Let's remove all that from the chart. So I've got my two narrative ideas. I'm also going to show you my long-term view up narrative ideas. Let's close this. So this is change of narrative ideas. So it's accepting inside view up, inside value area. That would be my first change of ideas. And that would be neutral slash continuation. Oh, let's do this. Neutral slash continuation buy. I'm saying neutral because if it just stays here at value area low, I don't want to take it. I want it to push further in, and then let me show you. So if it just stays here, I don't want to take this. If it pushes further in past these levels and gets a retracement in the time period that I'm looking for entries, I'll go long to the other side of value. Okay. If rolling view up, oh mate. If rolling view up crosses session view up, so what I just indicated, then we're in buy environment. And I'm also, this environment, right? Environment. And I'm also going to be looking for continuation day. So it's buy above day open. So the only thing we're looking at now or waiting for is day open. We have more narrative ideas, but I'm just gonna go through that quickly. I also need to get done. This is weekly view app, 30-minute chart. Move that over. That's the previous value area. And this is TPO periods, but I don't use that right now. Using the volume area, so it's a bit cleaner on the currencies. And you can draw it out however you want. So we are currently here, which is the low of that previous weekly value area from here. So what my idea is that I'm either going to push up to the edge and then I can short. Sorry, push up to the edge and then go short, and could cross all the way, or if it accepts inside, breaks that high, and then comes back, we will potentially have a long continuation. But if I'm going long in this market, this is going to be a, let me just mark this area out. This is going to be a kind of stopping area where the market would pause. If it pushes straight through that, I'm probably going to look for longs on a retracement. I mean, just looking to get back up to these highs. But if not, if it pushes and stops there, I could look for, I think that's probably getting into a more aggressive sell. Maybe a bit, but could go a bit through, something like that. But that's my sell area up here. Okay, this is a sell area because we haven't accepted inside that weekly PVA. Switch over to monthly. I can see, let's mark that. So that there was weekly EVA slash DVA was somewhat of an overlap. This one monthly still has to finish its rotation. So rotation started here, went down, didn't finish its rotation, so there's more downside. That is a monthly PVA level right there. Also approaching view up. So I think this is still a good area. Look for sales. Yeah, still a good area to look for sales. There is still space for down movement. Go on to quarterly. Okay, quarterly DVA levels down here. Sorry, PVA levels down here, and then DVA we just rejected off that quarterly level, so there is still a lot of downside room. I think that's not the best level for in terms of entry. Best level would be up here, but then we already missed that entry because that was yesterday's high. Okay, so let's take an arrow. take this away. W is in the chat. W. So it is still downside room. So now I'm going to look at these price levels: 3172, 1.3172. I'm gonna mark it out on this chart. Actually, I can just sync it. Sync in layout, and then sync this one in layout. I'm not going to look at the yearly view up just because it's kind of in no man's land. It's just above DVA, kind of imbalance up, but not fully. Syncing out. Actually, let's look at it. Okay. Yeah, what I said. Actually, that might just be a good location as well. Yeah, everything's lining up here. For this cell, yearly it could hit that lower level of liquidity, 2-day low. If we're looking at quarterly, could be 2-day low without any interruption. Monthly, 1 hour chart of monthly. Monthly would be a bit harder to hit that 2-day low. So should be an easier target, previous day low. And looking at weekly it could hit that 2-day low. So the only thing that's saying can't hit the 2-day low, can't quotation marks, is the monthly. So this is my most likely target for the day, or even 2 days. Likely target. And then where I'm trying to get in from is, I'm going to overlay this. So it'll be up here. So I'm going to mark out some exact points where I'd like to be short from. And times. So equal 6. Remove this from the chart. Total 6. So this is my likely short area. I want to get short on the lines, but if it reacts too quickly and I can't get in, or I'm busy with something else and I can't get in, I'm only at 19 FPS. Okay, I need to change computers. So that's my shorting area, or shorting lines. That's my, yeah, likely target. If it pushes through that before and it goes further into value, I'm not interested. If it holds just below value area low, not interested. If before this happens we have a always upward, we have a view up crossover, I'm not interested. So that's the three conditions that I won't enter the market. Under any other conditions where it hits these levels, going short. That is my target for the day, or likely target. That's my area. So for today, we're looking at potential, say, into here. 412 stop. Looking for 1 to 10.5. Oh, I didn't check news. Okay, let's do that quickly. Forex Factory. So then today we've got 15th May. So at 2 a.m. we have GDP numbers coming out. At 8:30 we have core PPI, unemployment claims. 8:40 Powell is speaking. So there's a lot of space for movement today. 10 MPC member. I think it's probably a member of Congress or something like that. Natural gas storage, mortgage delinquencies. Oh, this is going to be interesting for the whole day. The FOMC bar is speaking at 2. So I think this could be a continuation day if it breaks to the upside. So if we're looking for upside, it would also be this levels that's a break into, and this would be the time from 8 till 9:30. Close. This is my shorting area. And this is my continuation area. Okay. So if it breaks to the upside, so if price goes through, holds, get to this time. I'm taking a long from here. Let's do this. I want to go long from here. This should be my target. Stop. Yep, 1 to 4 is toward. That's the two ideas I have for the day. If it pushes through and I get stopped out, I'll take a second entry. Short. So I just need to limit my risk on my first entry. Take a second entry short, same target. Could be 1 to 12. Yeah. Oh, not 1 to 12, 1 to like 11. But with all the news coming out, what I'm hoping for is a strong push from news all the way into value area, a drop down, and then my kind of preferred move is going to be push down to value area low, hitting my level, getting short here, most likely not down here, getting short here, and then just holding it till end of day, which is down here. That's what I would like to see. Okay. I'll see you guys. Just keep kind of close to your devices later on in the day, because I'll have a market breakdown and then of what happened, and then also another video with the positions I took. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. Peace.